Hello, 3MTT fellow. Congratulations if you've gotten to the stage of your 3MTT learning journey. Please listen and watch this video for a quick guide on how to generate your 3MTT certificate. At the bottom left corner of your 3MTT dashboard, you're going to get a status update if you have been certified and met the criteria for graduation and certification. Your update is going to show as certified, just as you can see at the bottom left corner, and this means that you have met certain criteria that has been given to you. So first off, you must have completed your online courses, and then you have completed your physical training. In that sense, your status should be showing as completed ALC training or certified. And once you have seen this update appear on your 3MTT dashboard, you are good to go to generate your certificate. Please reach out to your ALC if your status hasn't been updated to show as certified or completed ALC training. Next step is to go to my courses. Once you go to my courses, you would see the icon showing as applied learning content and then assessment. Click on applied learning content. Once you click on applied learning content, you would see the course you're taking, you would see the percentage completed, and then you would also see an icon showing here as generate certificate just beside beginner. So the next step to take once the page loads is to click on generate certificate. Now, once you click on generate certificate, your 3MTT certificate will be automatically downloaded, as you can see on the dashboard. So what you need to do is to go to your download and view your 3MTT certificate. Congratulations once again.